Welcome to Grace Heads, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and detailed insights into the latest vehicles. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Whether you're a truck enthusiast or just looking for your next adventure-ready ride, this comprehensive review will give you all the specs, features, and performance details you need to know about Toyota's latest pickup. The 2025 Tacoma builds on the model's long-standing reputation for reliability and ruggedness, but Toyota has taken it up a notch in this iteration with modern technology and bold styling. This year's Tacoma comes with a fresh design, featuring a more aggressive front grille, LED lighting, and a muscular stance that reflects its off-road capabilities. It also offers a wider range of exterior color options, giving buyers a chance to truly personalize their trucks. Under the hood, the 2025 Tacoma offers multiple powertrain options. The base model is equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 228 horsepower and 243 pounds-feet of torque. If you're looking for more power, there's a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers 278 horsepower and 265 pounds-feet of torque. For those who crave even more performance, the TRD Pro trim comes with the hybrid powertrain, combining electric efficiency with that signature Toyota truck toughness. Inside, the cabin has received the modern upgrade. The interior now boasts a large touchscreen display with an intuitive infotainment system, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a new digital instrument cluster that provides customizable information, while the materials and build quality feel premium yet rugged, making it perfect for both daily driving and tough off-road expeditions. The seats are comfortable, with available options for leather upholstery and heated, cooled settings. When it comes to technology and safety features, the 2025 Tacoma doesn't disappoint. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is standard across the board, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warnings with pedestrian detection. The truck also offers an upgraded towing capacity, making it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable workhorse on the job site or for weekend adventures. Off-road enthusiasts will be pleased with the Tacoma's capabilities. With available features like crawl control, multi-terrain select, and an electronically locking rear differential, the 2025 Tacoma is more than ready to take on challenging terrains. Whether you're heading for a trail or hauling heavy loads, this truck is built to handle it all with ease. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma is a well-rounded pickup that brings a lot to the table in terms of performance, technology, and off-road prowess. Whether you're looking for a workhorse or a versatile adventure companion, the Tacoma has got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest car reviews, news, and more from Grace Heads.